Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing AR versus VR in Italy. What is AR and VR? Augmented reality overlays digital information such as images, videos, or 3D models onto the real world. It can be done using devices like smartphones, tablets, or specialized AR glasses. Virtual reality is a completely immersive experience that shuts out the physical world, achieved using a headset that covers your eyes and displays a computer-generated environment. Who is using AR and VR? AR and VR technologies are being used across various industries and for different purposes: gaming, education, healthcare, retail, real estate, manufacturing, and tourism. AR and VR developer develops software applications, games, or experiences using AR and VR technology. The typical salary is anywhere from $70,000 to $120,000, and the skills needed are knowledge of programming languages such as C#, C++, or Unity 3D. Where are they using AR and VR? Top countries are the United States, China, Japan, South Korea, United Kingdom, Germany, and Canada. Gaming, both AR and VR are extensively used in gaming to provide immersive experiences. Healthcare, VR is used for simulation and training purposes, allowing medical professionals to practice surgeries or patient care in a realistic environment. And real estate, AR and VR are used in real estate for virtual property tours. Why are they using AR and VR? The company that I chose in Italy is called Seek02, and the strength is innovation solutions, technology integration. The weaknesses are resource constraints, dependence on specific industries. Opportunity is global expansion and diversification of industries, and threat, competition, and technology advancements. When are they using AR and VR? I believe AR and VR will be used more in the next 10 years due to the popularity it is gaining. As technology advances in the near future, AR and VR will continue to get better and more often used. How is Italy using AR and VR? Goal 9 in the industrial sector, AR and VR is used for training, design, and simulation purposes. Goal 11, AR and VR is used in urban planning and architecture to visualize and simulate future city developments. Goal 13, AR and VR can raise awareness about climate change and environmental issues through immersive experiences. And two truths and a lie, Italy is one of the top countries using AR and VR. VR is used in healthcare. VR is used with a headset. Thank you.